If you're a true coffee lover, you know the importance of brewing your coffee just right. This Lafeeca French Press coffee maker offers the perfect blend of functionality and style, providing an exceptional brewing experience in the comfort of your home. With its stainless steel, double-wall vacuum insulation, and advanced double filtration system, this French press guarantees a smooth, full-bodied, and rich coffee that will keep you coming back for more. The Lafeeca French Press coffee maker isn't just another coffee press, it's a modern upgrade of a timeless brewing tool. Its sleek, contemporary look and ergonomic design make it a beautiful addition to any kitchen. But this press isn't just about looks, it delivers where it matters most, brewing rich, delicious coffee every time. One of the first things you'll notice about the Lafeeca French Press is its premium construction. Made from 304 stainless steel, it is built to last. This material is rust-proof and non-corrosive, ensuring that your coffee maker remains in pristine condition even after extensive use. The double-wall vacuum insulation ensures that your coffee stays piping hot for longer, up to an hour longer than regular French presses. This is perfect for those slow mornings when you want to savor every sip without worrying about your coffee getting cold. The outer layer remains cool to the touch, making it safe and comfortable to handle, even when filled with hot liquid. Perhaps the most impressive feature of the Lafeeca French Press is its advanced double filtration system. This design includes a double mesh filter that effectively captures coffee grounds while allowing the essential oils and antioxidants from your beans to pass through, creating a smooth, rich cup of coffee. The result? A brew that's full of flavor without any unpleasant sediment, giving you the barista-quality experience at home. This filtration system ensures that every cup is robust and full-bodied, highlighting the deep flavors and aromas of your favorite coffee beans. Whether you prefer a lighter brew or a strong, bold flavor, the Lafeeca French Press gives you control over the strength of your coffee. The matte black finish of the Lafeeca French Press adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. Its sleek design and minimalist style make it a standout piece, while its sturdy build ensures that it will last for years to come. The ergonomic handle is specially designed to make pouring easy and comfortable, even after multiple servings. This smart grip, easy pour handle gives you complete control, so you can serve guests without worrying about spills or discomfort. And when it comes to cleaning, the Lafeeca French Press doesn't disappoint. It's odor and stain resistant, so your coffee press will stay looking and smelling fresh. A simple hand wash with mild soapy water is all it takes to maintain its pristine appearance. Why choose the Lafeeca French Press coffee maker? There are plenty of coffee makers on the market, but the Lafeeca French Press offers several standout features that make it worth your investment. Whether you're an occasional coffee drinker or a daily coffee enthusiast, this French press provides the convenience, quality, and durability you need to enjoy coffee the way it was meant to be experienced. Double-wall vacuum insulation keeps your coffee hot for up to an hour longer, ensuring that every cup is warm and enjoyable. Advanced double filtration system delivers a smooth, sediment-free brew while retaining the essential oils and antioxidants from your coffee beans. Ergonomic handle offers comfort and control for easy pouring, making it a breeze to serve yourself or guests. Durable 304 stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting durability, making it resistant to rust, corrosion, and wear. Stylish matte black finish complements any kitchen decor, combining functionality with modern aesthetics. Making coffee with the Lafeeca French Press is simple, but the results are nothing short of spectacular. Here's how to get the most out of your French press. 1. Add coffee grounds. Start by adding your preferred coarsely ground coffee to the press. Coarse grounds work best to extract all the natural flavors and oils. 2. Pour hot water. Add hot water just off the boil to the coffee grounds, ensuring they're fully saturated. 3. Stir and steep. Give the mixture a gentle stir and let it steep for 4 to 5 minutes. The longer you steep, the stronger the brew. 4. Press and pour. Slowly press down the plunger using steady pressure. The advanced filtration system ensures no coffee grounds escape into your cup. 5. Enjoy. Pour your coffee and savor the rich, full-bodied flavor. Even if you're new to the world of French press brewing, the Lafeeca model is easy to use and its ergonomic handle ensures that pouring is always effortless. Plus, with its 30-day money-back guarantee, you can try it risk-free. If you don't love it, you can return it without any hassle. Final thoughts: a must-have for coffee enthusiasts. In a market full of coffee makers, the Lafeeca French Press coffee maker stands out for its advanced features, durability, and stylish design. From the double-wall insulation to the ergonomic handle, every aspect of this French press has been carefully thought out to provide an excellent coffee brewing experience. If you're looking for a French press that delivers barista-quality coffee in the comfort of your home, this is it. Ready to elevate your coffee game? The Lafeeca French Press is a worthy investment for any coffee lover. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.